From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, and it's good to say this again, YouTube's bison-centric barbecue and grilling channel. Today, Bison Ribeyes. What? Bison Ribeyes again? This time with a twist. I took a deep dive. in YouTube and the whole internet, and it turns out no one on the internet has ever done this before. That might mean it probably is not a good idea, but I think I'm gonna make it a good idea. And we'll get on with that. We'll get on with everything. And this bird, it's a blue jay, and he won't shut up. Anyway, stick around. Taking a look at the stars of our show, of course, we have Nebraska Bison Ribeyes. These are 20-ounce ribeyes that have been thawing for about an hour or so. They're ready to go. Check this out. This is my new multi-tool. Got for my birthday a couple of weeks ago. I'm definitely going to be putting this to use today for the first time and many times after. All right, an orange. What's he going to do with that? Stick around and you'll find out. We've got some lemon pepper seasoning here. And like I said, we have our 2 bison ribeyes here. I think we're ready to get this show on the road, so stick around. Do I say stick around too much? Let's go. So here we have our 2 20-ounce bison ribeyes. What I'm going to do preliminarily is cutting into the ribeye. Remember the pocket I just cut? Well, guess what's going in that pocket? The oranges. Yeah, we're gonna seal that up. And this one, boy, I screwed up on this one big time. Can you forgive me? Well, I guess I got enough room there. Maybe, maybe not, probably not. I'll just lay this one on top. This one's going on top, what the hell? All right, to the grill we go. The grill has come up to temperature. Hey, look at that. What have we here? The griddle, a Weber griddle. Here I have some extra virgin olive oil, some EVOO, and I'm only gonna put a little tiny minuscule amount on there, just like that, so that we can keep these guys from sticking. Orange slices. If you've never grilled oranges, you really ought to give it a try. They kind of turn into candy. Very delicious candy. Like I said, just a little bit of oil on here. Okay, about a few more. Huh? Sounds like a plan to me. Oh yeah. Okay, that's more than what we need for these steaks, but by golly, I'm gonna grill up all of these. All right. Okay. And we're gonna low and slow these onions. Onions. While all that is going on, we are going to sear our steaks. Just like this. Got just enough room. Let me apologize in advance for this. I got a little carried away with myself. So I'm gonna sear them over here. We're gonna move them off, and we're just gonna kind of keep track of how well our onions, I keep saying onions, our orange slices are coming along. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna check them right now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, see, look at that. That, my friends, is what we call candy. Nature's candy. And on or in a ribeye, or even on it, it's gonna be really good. These are not gonna take long. I think this is for the pitmaster right here, I'll tell you what. A taster. Get these off to the side here. By golly, I'm gonna have a taster. Oh yeah. Hot, hot. Woo! I'm telling you what. If you have never grilled orange. Do it. Do it, do it, do it. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Just seasoned these steaks with the lemon pepper seasoning, and I've got them on the griddle here. I'm going to move them off, let them go low and slow. Those onions are, I did it again. Those orange slices look tremendous. They smell good too. Hey, I think I'm going to use my brand new multi-tool. This thing is so cool. I've been waiting for a little over a week to use it. All right. Oh yeah. Oop, come here. Come back, come back. What are you doing? You're hot. Ooh, man, that's really hot. All right. Hey, we're almost there. God, if you could smell this, holy moly, you'd be a happy camper. So, let's bring it on home. We're there. Let's say another 3 minutes. Hello there. I screwed up. I didn't hit the record button as I was taking the steaks off of the grill and the sear grate and all that. They're inside. They're resting just for a moment. So let's go in and eat. Sorry about that scene being dropped, but I'm an amateur. Bud, how does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness Guy? Let's find out. Even the rub on here, that was a perfect rub for this steak. And these onion slices, like I said, they taste like candy.
Onion slices?
I've been saying onion all day long. Orange. What turns an orange into an onion? I will be asking myself this question and trying to ponder it and come up with a good answer for the rest of the night after I eat. See ya.